Here at Green River High School, one of SureFi's newest products is being installed. Brian Christensen with Superior Security Services is installing the SureFi 12-volt compact door kit. This differs from our standard commercial door kit in that it does not provide the 24-volt accessory power. As you can see, the compact door kit is substantially smaller, can be used in tighter spaces, and is more discreet and lightweight when only 12-volt power is needed. It includes a single-door SureFi bridge as well as a 5-amp power supply and 12-volt battery monitoring built in.
So today we used a compact door controller. This is the first time I've used this controller. Normally I've been using the standard footprint of the commercial door controller. And in this particular application, the compact was really useful because I had a small area that I needed to get this controller in, and it worked out very well. We had this concrete ceiling and grouted frames. So in this application, the door controller just was spot on. So what we did with this one is, what I really liked about it is the footprint, and also I'm utilizing many of the relays. I'm using door position switches, DPSs, and I'm also using an alarm. So what that's really doing for us is that if the door gets propped, it's going to go into an alarm. And what's been helpful is I really like using the app. It was really great for me to kind of figure out what's going on locally before I go to the head end and resolve and eliminate any problems. What I like to do is I like to pull the app up on every door, and I simply can just test relay 1, or my door locks. So I know that they're working. I know the power is being sent to the locks. I know the locks are wired in properly. And then on relay 2, I have the propped door alarm. So what's going to happen in that scenario, if the door is propped for more than 30 seconds, it's going to go into an alarm, and the alarm will continue to run as long as the doors are open. So long story short, the compact door controller was a huge success for me today. What I like about this door controller is it made it really easy for me to install my conduit. With the other type of enclosures out there, with the metal knockouts, what this box gave me a lot of flexibility to put my conduit wherever it landed. So as you can see here, I have several different boxes on the wall with conduit ran in different places. This enclosure not only allows me to have my wig and bridge in here, but I'm also using, this is where I'm storing my prop door alarm, and it leaves me room also for my battery backup. Closes up real nice, real pleasing to the eye, and the customer's going to be very happy with it.
The installation of the compact door kit is very simple. You first remove the screws holding the flash cover, then tip the flash cover up, giving access to the power supply and the Wago connectors provided for easy connection of any local or emergency power from 110 to 277 AC. Always check your local guidelines. Then replace the flash cover, wire in your accessories onto the labeled terminal block, plug in a 12-volt battery, and you're finished. The SureFi Compact Door Kit, the easy way to get doors done.